Gonna be working on a 2013 Kia Forte. Gonna be replacing the front brakes on it. It's gonna be a budget-friendly brake job here. I'll explain as I go. But you're gonna need a 14mm socket to get the caliper off, and where's that tool at? Tool to press the caliper piston in. Gonna start by removing this caliper here. How this works is you put it in. Let me do this here. Use one of these brake pads so it doesn't take so long. Brake pads are not really that worn, but they are making noise, so we're gonna go ahead and replace them. Probably some grease or something on them. I'm not sure. But we're gonna go ahead and replace them anyway. But see how this tool works right here? Picked this up from Harbor Freight. You just twist it in and it presses the piston back in. Go ahead and replace the hardware here for the caliper. Kind of confused there for a second. Press that on in place. Get that there. And go ahead and tap these tabs in place just to keep the hardware in place. Keep it centered. Keep it from moving. Got that done. Let's see here. I'm gonna clean everything up. Don't have any contaminants on the brake rotor here. Now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the other side here. Go ahead and break these caliper bolts loose. And do like we did on the other side. Use this brake pad here. They say the brake pads are not very worn. Must have been some contaminants or something like that causing the brakes to squeal. So we're still gonna go ahead and replace them. Because they're getting kind of close, so it would have been sometime later on this year that we'll have to replace the brake pads. Might as well go ahead and get it knocked out now rather than later. Take the old hardware off. Put the new hardware on. And try to get it centered here. Close enough. Make sure they're fully seated. No interference. Alright. A dab of anti-seize. Don't slop it on there, just a little dab will do. Just a little dab. Dry off a little bit there. Brake pads here. Go ahead and clean them off. When you're putting your brake pads on, don't touch the brake material after you've cleaned them off. once again, it reduces the braking performance. That again, just for good measure. Like I said, don't touch the brake material. Just don't want to contaminate it and cause squealing or reduce braking performance. Go back with a little anti-seize on the brake pads there. Like I said, they got the shims on the back, but I like a little extra measure there just to keep down unnecessary squeals and noises. All right, what made this budget friendly was we didn't get the rotor turned. The reason why we didn't get the rotor turned, college student, still trying to make a way in the world, want to keep the job as inexpensive as possible. There is no serious grooves or anything in the rotor, no apparent warpage going on, that no pulsation in the brake pedal or anything like that, so I believe it'll be okay. Like I said, there was no serious grooves in the rotor or anything like that. No uneven wear on the brake pads that I saw, so I think it's going to be okay. For right now, we'll catch it, get the rotors turned the next time. All right, go ahead and put this caliper back on. Well, be careful how you tighten up these screws here. Some manufacturers like to use inferior fasteners, pot metal, and just tighten them up. I wouldn't use an impact wrench. That's just a suggestion. That is just a suggestion. Stick to the manufacturer's torque specs and you'll be okay. That's that. Now what we'll do now is pump the brakes to push the piston back out so it engages the brake pads. All right, I pumped the brakes there, push the piston back out so they engages the brake pads. What I'm gonna do is put the tires back on, drive around a little bit, make sure everything is good, give it back to the customer.